Okay.
Go?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, big brown box. Wait till tomorrow it's open.
Okay.
Tiara, you have to wait till tomorrow. No, you gotta wait.
Spectra's bed!
Chris,
Yay!
what's in there? Chris,
Abby's bed!
Chris, what's in there? I thought it was a dollhouse.
Frankie!
Chris,
Daddy!
Chris.
Shh.
Hi. Hello.
Let's go in the shower!
Oh
Yay.
my God, Chris, what'd you do? Good. I love your I love your toys. So nice.